Alright, you guys. Well, I was gonna wait until I got the headlights in to do the video on the taillights, but I got the new lights in, the light bulbs, so I want to go ahead and see how they look. So let's go ahead and get these installed, and then I'll do another video for the headlights too. I went with regular bulbs. Of course, you can do LED if you want to. It was going to be rather expensive, and the way that I bought these bulbs, I bought them in packs of 10. That way I have extra for up front, and also she'll have extra when I'm done if any of them blow out. But you're going to need two of the 1156 and two of the 1157 light bulbs for this. That'll be for each housing. So you're going to need 4 1156 and 4 1157s for these. So I'm going to go ahead and move the car up here, and because obviously I can't work on them back there, as you can see. And then we'll throw these in real quick. They won't take long at all. We'll give them a test, see how they look. In case you're wondering, I'm just taking these bolts down until I feel them stop. Those look really good. Let's see how they do. And don't forget to plug in your electrical connectors. You've got two, one on each side. Don't forget to get those plugged in. So that's what they look like. They look really good. I really think I'm going to paint this bottom strip with a matte black to match these bottom strips. I thought that I'd be able to switch these out with the red ones on the originals, but I'm not able to. So to make up for that, I think I'll do a matte black on that strip right there. Let's get them turned on and see how they do. Alright, so that's with the regular lights running. Let's hit the brakes, put it in reverse. So I think they look pretty good. Just kind of hard to see on the brake lights, of course, but it's pretty bright in here. Outside it'll make a big difference. Plus I'm on camera. Now keep in mind that I don't have these hooked up to the lights yet. These are actually, I don't know if some of you might remember in my other video, I did state that these are actually supposed to be hooked up with the reverse lights. So I want to make sure that I tap into the right wires on that. I'm going to do a little bit of research and I'll get those hooked up eventually. And I'll show you guys how I did that. But for now, looks great and I really like it. I think she's going to be really happy.